How to delete a Ring account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Ring account. If you want to get rid of your Ring account, here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Ring application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up in this page. Here at the top left corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines to access the menu. Once you tap on it, you will find this side menu at the left side. Here under Account section, tap on Control Center. Now you will be taken to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here scroll down and then search for this Manage Your Data option. Once you find this option, tap on it. And once you enter in this page, here scroll down and at the bottom, you will find Delete Your Personal Data including your Ring account. If you tap on this Delete Data, you will be able to delete your Ring account too. Now tap on this Delete Data option right next to it and it will start processing. Now first of all, you will have to verify your identity to delete your account. Enter your password of your Ring account in this box. And once you have entered your password correctly, tap on this Continue button at the bottom to proceed further. After doing it, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Wait for the code and once you receive it, enter it in this box. After entering the verification code, now tap on this Verify code. Wait for a while and this window will pop up on your screen. Here it asks you if you are really sure to delete your account as well as your personal data. Because once you delete your Ring account and the data, all the subscriptions as well as product services will stop working and this cannot be undone. If you are really sure, go ahead and tap on that Confirm Deletion button at the bottom. Once you do so, the request for deleting your Ring account will be sent to Ring customer support. It will take 30 days to complete this request. So in this way you can delete your Ring account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.